All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian here, passive income guru. Hey, man, look, I've been so excited to share these live results with you guys. Man, I just was waiting for the right time. Although I've done several videos, or we've done several videos about the Queen's Path game. Okay, I tell you what, this system, and let me just be upfront and honest, guys. When I first heard about this concept from my partner Misty about making this into a game, making Forex trading into a game, I pretty much kind of laughed on the inside initially. I was like, man, that doesn't sound right. That just doesn't sound right. But I put all my pride aside, right? And I humbled down. I said, you know what? Let me see what she has, because Misty and I, we've worked together in the past. She's always come out with great stuff, and I've always done well with her tools, right? So I said, let me just take a look. Let me just try it out, right? This thing is crazy, guys. This thing is on fire. This is the best thing since sliced cheese. I'm telling you guys, look. I'm going to show you some results in our live. This is our live trading section right here for the Queen's Path. Now, disclaimer, I'm not guaranteeing you results. This is still technically, okay, we're technically trading, okay, but we're playing a game, okay. But the psychology here is I want you to get out of the technicality of the trading out of your mind and just play the game. Follow the queen. Okay, when you join us, you're gonna know what I mean with that. Okay, so let's look at some results, shall we? All right. As you can see, uh, we have some crazy results on a daily basis, guys. We play the game live Tuesday and Thursdays. That's another perk for joining us. Every Tuesday and Thursdays, guys, all three sessions, we play the game. Okay. And you're going to learn how to perfect the game, right? It's all about repetition. The more reps you get in, the better you get. That's what I tell my people. You want to get better at something, that's anything in life. Get your repetitions in. Okay? Why did Michael Jordan become one of the best basketball players, or if not the best basketball player in history? Because he put in repetitions. Okay? The best football player, the best soccer player, they put in work. They put in reps. Okay, here are my results today. All right, I have several results that I posted here, guys, to show you guys that this is real. Okay, and I get questions from people asking, okay, how much should I start with? As you can see, guys, this account was initially 113 bucks, and it jumped up quickly to over 400 bucks, guys. So you don't need a lot of money to start, okay? Look at this crazy setup that I took from the game. The queen gave me the signal, guys. Let's keep going. Okay. Here's me again. Look what I did. This is on this guy, this is a real account. Okay. The first of the month, August the 1st. I'm sorry, October the 1st. I put in, and I do this on purpose, guys, to show you don't need a lot of money to play the game. I put in only 315 bucks, and I pretty much over doubled the account within 12 hours using the Queen's Path game, guys. Look at this. Here's another one, another person in our group. Look at this. See the top right? You'll see the points. That means that's pips. That's money. Okay, following the Queen, guys. Okay. And sorry for the noise in the background, guys. I got my granddaughters here. Daughter and her husband is here. My wife is there. They're all in there, guys. So I have to shut the office door so you guys can hear me. Okay. Here's more. Look at this. $349. Flip that real quick, guys. Look at that. Following the queen. Boom. Okay. Okay. Boom. Guys, I can go all day. Look at this. It says this person said, much gratitude. Path has cleared on the 1 hour for gold. Queen to make further descend. Out south to enjoy much fair weather. How beautiful are the paths of the queen. Shine on my queen and fellow royals. Okay, look at that. That's what we call pippage. And now we get into some crazy stuff here, guys. Look what I did last Friday. This is me right here. Look at this. I was able to take. Was this Friday? No, this was. No, this wasn't Friday. I forgot what day this was, but it was the 30th. Okay, I turned $92 into $600, and then I know this right here was Friday. $50, guys, into $800 on a Friday. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is me. You don't need a lot of money to start this thing. Okay. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is the Queen path on Trading View. Look at this. You see the profits there? 700 plus. Okay. Look at this. Is beautiful, guys. This is not hard to do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. There's me again. Look at this. Started with 330. Boom, 800 something dollars. I think this is that same one with the flip. 50 into 800. Okay. Guys, this is beautiful. Look at all this. I can go on and on. I can go on and on. Okay. We are getting results. Okay. That documentation beats documentation beats conversation. All right. So get started with us. The link is going to be below. Right. You're going to have my help. You're going to have the help of the community. We're going to help you make some money here in this realm. This is the realm you want to tap into, hands down. Okay. You got any questions? Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. Add me as a friend. You can book a time to speak with me. Let's make it happen. All right. Take care. Have a great night or day.